Hello. The clip cube is a powerful tool in VectorWorks that allows you to temporarily clip or cut away portions of a 3D model. When clip cube is enabled, only objects inside the cube are visible. The clip cube can be used not only to cut away parts of a model, it can also be used to create viewports. Let's explore some of its features. The clip cube command is found under View, Clip Cube. You can also load clip cube into your quick preferences for easy access. If you invoke the clip cube with nothing selected, a bounding cube will appear around the entire model. Selecting one of the sides of the cube will allow you to push or pull the side of the cube. Moving the selected side of the cube into the model will begin to clip or cut away through the model. This is not destructive by any means. It is visual only. Objects that are hollow will show their cavities, and objects that are solid, like walls, will have a red face to them as you cut through the model. To change the color of the clipping, go to VectorWorks Preferences, Interactive, Interactive Appearance Settings. You can only manipulate the clip cube one face at a time, but you can have multiple faces clipped at the same time. You can rotate the clip cube boundaries by grabbing these controls in the center of the clip. If you grab the center control, you can move the entire clip cube around, including up and down. There are some great features of the clip cube that you can use to speed up your workflow. If you have part of your model selected when you invoke the clip, it will automatically make a box around that geometry. This is a clever way to quickly and easily look into areas of the model that you wouldn't otherwise be able to see or access. You can also select any face of the clip cube and make a section viewport from it, and then place that onto a sheet layer. Whichever side of the cube you either right-click from or control-click from will be the view from the viewport. You can then choose how you want this viewport to render. One thing to note is that the clip cube will set the depth and height of the section viewport to the clip by default. If you want to change this, you can edit it in the Advanced Section Properties. Using the clip cube is a great way to make sections, elevations, or even reflected ceiling plans. You can use layer and class visibility to refine what you are seeing in the viewport. Depth queuing can work alongside clip cube when you create section viewports. Depth queuing is a rendering technique that visually simulates distance. You can make objects or lines closer to you appear heavier or thicker. As objects or lines move further away, they can become thinner and finer. Let's start by making a section viewport using the clip cube. Now that we have our section, let's explore how depth queuing can enhance its visual interest and style. To apply depth queuing to a section, in the OIP, under the Background Render setting, click the Background Render Settings button. There are two positions, 0 and 1. 0 represents the near part of the viewport, and 1 indicates the furthest part. This is a key detail, as position 1 will be influenced by how far back the clip cube is. With depth queuing, you can change the line weight fading to make objects closer to you appear darker and those further away lighter. You can also change the line thickness by selecting Scaled Line Thickness. Then set position 0 to a larger scale, say 150%, and position 1 to a thinner scale, 50%. Of course, you don't have to use the clip cube on a section viewport to use depth queuing. Depth queuing will work on any viewport that is either hidden line or shaded. In a shaded viewport, you only have access to the fade features of depth queuing. If you're making a shaded viewport, you can use the hidden line foreground rendering and then use depth queuing on that independent of the shaded rendering options.